Hello guys, hello Laura Bobby Stories, and on my live page, hello my Bobby Stories, and today I have two LOLs colour changes to show you guys, and not just me bought them, it was from my partner all the way in the USA, and yes, they came today. Also she got me, I'll quickly show you these guys. She got me a card, something to do with Easter it was, but they finally came today. Yes, so they're really nice dolls, so she sent us them. And yes, I love the outfits on the girls, and yes, I believe that's what they're called, glamour girls. Yep, fashion dolls. So yeah, I'm pleased to have them. And also Brendan is pleased to have his doll because she sent Brendan a little something, so he's pleased. So today we're going to be opening these, and OMG, and this first time I've ever collected these ones, the colour change one surprise. So yeah, let's dive in and see what they are, guys. Oh, this is so exciting. So this is my first ever opening of the colour changes, and thanks to my partner. Right, okay, now it says we've got 7 surprises. We've got, okay, the outfit, the doll. Oh, can't wait which one it is. Right, oh, so these two came from all the way from America. Ah, right. Ah, interesting. I really don't know what that means. Interesting. Is that cold and sunny? Hot? I think it is. Anyways, okay, let's keep going. Oh, these are strong wrappers. Oh, Jesus. Oh my word. Eh. Whoops. My, that's hard to get off. Oh dear. Anyways, right, this is alright, let's just get that out. I believe that's the bottle, I think. Alright, let's keep going. Nice see-through balls, and it's a pink one. Oh, I can't wait to know who I've got. Right, get every accessory out. Oh, I love the balls. Oh, lovely. Right, let's get everything out, tip everything out. There we go. Right, that's what you need to do. That's your manual. You've probably opened them yourselves, guys, so yeah. Right, that's the booklet. So right, this is the checklist. Oh, so we've got a sticker. I believe that's a sticker. And this is the checklist that you can get. Right. So we could get Precious, Pop Heart, Baby Next Door, Go Go Girl, Foxy, DJ, Dancing Daring Diva, Surfer Babe, Cheers Sis, Merbaby, Prankster, Genie. Oh, and you can get the little sisters as well. Oh, and you get the pets as well in them. Very nice. Yep, and also the little ones. So yes, today we're going to either get one or two of these at the top. So who's it going to be, guys? We'll soon find out. Right, let's open the accessories first. And we've got blue and white glasses. And we've got a nice flowery top. Can you guys guess who it is yet? That's the bottle. The shoes, and they've got like the boots. Can you guys guess yet? And there's our skirt with it's yellow played with pink flowers. Can you guess who it is yet, guys? Who've I got? The moment of truth now. Oh, and we've got Go-Go Girl. Yep, Go-Go Girl. Yes, pleased to have her. And yes, she is. These are all colour changers, so yeah, if you just press on her hair, because I've got like a temperature hand, and she goes like a pink kind of colour, guys. And obviously our clothes as well, she's got a little thingy underneath. So yep, that's Go-Go Girl. Right, we'll just quickly get her dressed and we'll open the other one, guys. Right. Right. Oh, put your skirt on there, Go-Go Girl. Thank you. I do have her in the confetti pop, guys, but she's got new clothes on this one, so that's a thing, and a different hairband, so that's a good thing. And I think it's different makeup she's got this time round. Yeah, I do believe she's got different clothes this time, so that's good. That's good. In a sense. Let's pop your glasses on, Go-Go Girl. Oh, you know what? Right, just put your top on. So yeah, and these are from my partner for Easter. So happy. I just can't wait to open the other one and see which one we got. See what else we got. Yes. My Go-Go Girl. She won't put her top on. Dear me. Go-Go Girl. Let's see if I can stretch her arm. Oh, you know what? I'll put her top on off cam. It's just going to take long for this video. Whoops! Now she won't put her shoes on. Get them on, Go-Go Girl. Get them on already. She got them on the right feet. Right foot. Get them boots on now. It's like she doesn't want to get ready. Go Girl. Dear. Doesn't want to get ready, guys. Seriously, get that skirt up. Alright. Put your boots on. What the heck? Doesn't want to get ready. Cut that out, go girl. Now get them boots on. There we go. These boots were made for walking. Why are you trying to be Nancy Sinatra? Anyway, guys. So that's go girl. But yeah, I'll sort out top in a minute. You know, off cam. Right. Okay. Keep the checklist because I need that for if I get any more in the future. Yeah. Right, let's open the next one. Right, let's move it. Oh no. Okay. Right. This one we've got drama queen. We've got a drama queen this time. Right, let's get all our accessories out. There we go. There we go. Goodness. Right, let's just get that out. Alright, and that one. Whoops. And let's just pull everything out. Okay. Right. The first one. And we've got like what you call them? Something you put on your head, guys, or is it a necklace? One of the two, I don't know. Oh, we've got a shoe. Ooh, lovely gold shoes. Nice, guys. And in here we have a top. Oh guys, we have Jeannie. And I do believe I do have Jeannie, and I believe she was in series 2. I believe LOL series 2, but I think it's a different costume she's wearing, so I think I might have to look up the one in series 2 because I've got it in my drawer, guys, because I've got the collection of series 2. I'm sure that's a different top, so yeah. Oh, excuse me. And there's a bottle. Yes, it's Jeannie. It's Jeannie. I believe this is a bottoms, is it? Yes. Yes. I do believe that's a different outfit she's wearing. Because I can't remember this on series 2. So I'll double check just to be sure, guys. Let's look at her. Yeah, I couldn't get out. Same hair colour. Yes. Yep, she's the same person. But yes, I do believe that's a different outfit she's wearing. But I'll double check. But yes, I'm pleased to have them both. yes, I do believe that's a different outfit on Go Go Girl. Yes, but I do have them in my collection as well, but not the colour change, 'cause I'm not sure if the colour change in series 2 and Confetti Pop. I don't know, but I think these are different outfits they're wearing, I'm sure of it. But I'll double check in my collection. But yeah, I'm pleased to have them, and it was nice of my partner to get them for us, and it's my first time opening these. But yes, I've noticed in this series they do repeat the dolls this time and from other series. But yes, but I do believe this is a new outfit. I don't think Jeannie's got this one. I don't think in series 2. I do not think that, guys. So I can't remember peach and pink on her. I could be wrong, guys, like, I could be wrong. Right, let's get your shoes on, Jeannie. But yes, thank you, Crystal, for sending these, and I am pretty happy. Whoops! Now she's kicking her shoes off. Cut that out. Yeah, I really do believe it's a different outfit Jeannie's got this time. Because I really can't remember when I opened her. She wore these. Right, will she have a trouble getting her top on like Go Go Girl? Or is she gonna just get ready? Just stretch her arm. Oh, there we go. She didn't have a problem getting ready, and I believe that's yep, and that's her. So yeah, guys, I am so happy with my dolls from my partner, and this is a review from the new colour changer LOLs, and this is my first time opening them. But yes, I do believe when I looked at the checklist, lots of them are from different series that people's already got. But yes, I do believe these are the same dolls from this series 2 and obviously Confetti Pop. But I do believe they've got different outfits, but I'll double check to be sure, and because I can't remember Go Go Girl with a blue band, and when I open down the Confetti Pops, I'll just have to see. But anyways, if you like these two girls, give them a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content I upload for you guys. And I'll see you in my next video, and take care and stay safe out there, and bye bye for now. Gonna say bye, girls? Bye. Bye bye. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.